today's video, I will be telling you how to change your ringtone on iPhones. Let's get into it. Open your browser and go to the website 3u.com. In my case, the browser is Microsoft Edge. Now, download 3U tools for your system. The options are 86x Windows, which is 32-bit, 64x Windows, and Mac OS. To check which processor type bits you have, go into settings and search about your PC. It will tell you your computer is either a 64-bit or 32-bit. But make sure to check that in Windows details, as some PCs say they are 64-bit even though Windows is 32-bit. If you have Windows 11, you can skip this step, as Windows 11 cannot work without 64-bit. So that automatically tells do you have 64-bit, so you don't have to check it. Now, once the 3U Tools setup is downloaded, open it and click install. If it gives you a prompt, select yes. It did show a prompt for me, but since that contains sensitive info, it just gave a blank screen in the recording. The installation process might take more than 2 minutes, so please be patient. After that's done, install Apple drivers on your computer by selecting the Install Driver option when the pop-up appears. Or if you have iTunes installed on your computer, this pop-up probably will not come. As the installation process, this driver installation process might also take 1 to 3 minutes. So please be patient, as that depends on your hardware and internet speed. Now connect your iPhone to your computer using your charging lead. If you don't understand what I mean, watch the video on the bottom left corner. Now, on your iPhone, unlock it and click Trust on the pop-up and put your password when it requires you to. Now your iPhone is connected to your computer. Close the pop-up and you will be able to see tons of options for your device, including jailbreaking it. We need the option to make a ringtone, so go to the sidebar and import a custom ringtone or select RT and WP2 on the bar on the top to download template ringtone for your device. I will import a custom ringtone, so I will go to the ringtones menu in iDevice category and import my ringtone. If you want to use a template ringtone, click on the download icon in the side of the play button and it will flash it into your phone. Now, the ringtone is important, so go to your phone, open settings and open the sounds menu. Now select ringtone and in the top you will find your ringtone. Click to set it as your ringtone. That's it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you later in another video. Bye.